beach before?
Yes.
Same. You know what's weird?
What?
I don't know.
That's cool.
High five.
Coronavirus!
Hey, Adri.
Hello.
You know what I'm really craving right now?
What?
Some Starbucks.
Me too.
I don't even care about Corona.
Me too.
See, we don't gotta stay 6 feet away. We're like best
We're
friends.
beautiful.
Yeah. You like my fake nails? I got glass in my finger.
Oh no. That's annoying.
Should we? Maybe we could walk the trails later.
What?
You want to walk the trails later?
Sure.
I'm not going to get the coronavirus.
Me neither. I hope not, at least.
I'm not.
I don't think so. I am.
Okay, well, I think I'm going to go home. I'll meet you later at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
Meet me right here back in the park.
Okay.
Bye.
6 o'clock.
Adri should be here any minute now. Should I call her? I'll just wait a few more minutes. We were supposed to be here at 6. It's now 6:01. Oh. That's a rude best friend. I don't know if she's coming. Ow, there's a spider. I'm not her friend anymore. 6:07 p.m.
I wonder where Jenna is. I wonder if she's even gonna come. If she doesn't come, I'm not gonna be her best friend.
Ring, 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 ring.
Hello?
Hello?
How come you didn't meet me at the park at 6?
I have the coronavirus.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Prove it. That's so fake.
No, it's not.
Yeah, huh? You're such a faker. You always prank me and always lie to me. I'm not your best friend anymore. Bye.
Oh, she's so annoying.
I'm glad I recovered from that stupid virus. Adrian, I'm sorry I said I wasn't your best friend anymore. It's okay. Are we best friends again? Ow. I'm excited to go to the nature trails.
Me too.
That's where we're headed right now. Oh, look at the dog. I know, it's so cute. Our parents are so nice to let us, my parents are so nice to let us bring you to the nature trails. So, yeah, really hope we can still have fun. Oh, I'm so tired. Me too. Adri, wake up. Are we at the nature? Oh, we're not there yet. So many birds. That is so sad. So soft. Did you actually have the coronavirus? You sure? How long did you have it? Like, 3-4 days. It's not too bad. I had to go to the hospital 2 days of it though. I'm sorry if, like, Johnny and said that I wasn't going to be your friend anymore. It's okay.
Man, I should have bought some snack gold, I think. We got hella snacks. You wanna bring out your cheese stick?
Maybe soon we could have a sleepover. Are you sure you're all recovered? This puppy's so cute. He's so cute. I didn't know dogs have whiskers. Yeah. It helps them see in the dark. Oh, Jackson. I remember that. I just forgot that they had whiskers. Hi, baby. I love him. I'm like really tired still, I feel. Me too. Wait, why? Oh, she fell over. Are you smiling? Hey, look at my knee. Oh, it's so relaxing in the woods. I don't know why I said me too. It is. Ooh, look at this plant. Wow, pretty.
This is crazy, ain't it?
Phew, maybe, what should we do? Ew.
The leaves though, dude.
Maybe when we get back home, you want to swim? Yeah. Do you want to swim when we get home? There's a spider. You want to swim when we get home? We could go to your house. Yeah. Okay. Well, let's walk back.